Can you believe it's almost Christmas time? Wow, this year has been slow and fast, hasn't it? But anyway, this time of the year, normally I do it about a month before I start getting the Christmas cake ingredients together, and I make a Christmas cake. Christmas cake is wonderful if it's made in advance time, but this recipe will still be really good if you get and make it this week or even next week. It's a tried and tested recipe. Many people around the world have made it, and I got the recipe from a regular cake recipe and I made it vegan and gluten-free. And we have lots of fruit in here. I've got figs, apricots, currants, sultanas. You could put cranberries in, or right now in our shire there's lots of dried mulberries because we had a great mulberry season. You could even put those in, and you need to soak it overnight, and we use brandy. But if you don't like brandy, or you've got children that are going to eat the cake, or you don't like alcohol, then you can use apple juice or grape juice. Maybe even pomegranate juice could work. You soak it overnight. You could soak it for longer, but overnight has worked well for us. And then you just pop a lid on and keep it somewhere to soak up all the brandy. So, and we were going to make it today, but it's a super hot day today, so we're leaving it till tonight because it bakes in the oven at 100 degrees for 4 hours. Now, up until this year, we had a really dodgy oven, but our landlord got us a new oven, yay! And so we will actually be able to get the temperature to 100 before it would never go that low. So it will take 4 hours. So just check your oven to make sure that if you've got it on 100 degrees, that it actually is 100 degrees in the oven and not more, because you might burn the cake. Or just regulate the cake, look after 2 hours, see how it's going. And I'm going to use, the recipe says soy milk, but I'm actually going to make two. I'm going to make one for gluten-free people, and I'm going to put oat milk in for those like my partner who aren't gluten-free. And check out the oat milk recipe, because Max says this oat milk is better than the one that he gets in the carton. Okay everyone, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and check out my new online course. It's a Ripper Reader. Bye everyone.